Hello and welcome to Katrinas Creations Friday edition. I'm filming this on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving, and I've got my shawl on because it's chilly here in the kitchen and I've got all my stuff for the craft fair spread out across the kitchen table, and I'm getting ready to head over to my daughter's house in a little bit to help with the pre-prep for Thanksgiving. Yeah, so anyway, I'm not dressed in my best because I figure I'll have food all over me by the end of the day. I'm just messy that way. So anyway, let me turn the camera around and I will show you what I'm in the process of doing. So these are the Rubbermaid tubs that I keep for going to craft fairs. I have 3 of them actually. One of them is more seasonal. So this one, I have this rack I keep in here. It's one of those like wire shelves. It's an extra piece. And sometimes I prop it up and I will clip things to it. Like if I've got earrings that I've made, I'll use little clips and I'll like clothespins, and I'll clip it to that. And then that's the box that the earrings normally sit in. And that's my tablecloth for the craft fair. Now this I'm not taking out because I know it's fine. What I have in here are shawls and like pocketbooks that I've made, neck scarves, things like that. They're all individually priced and marked, and they're just going to stay in here because I'm not sure if I'm going to have room for those or not, because this craft fair, Kim and I will be sharing a 10 by 10 foot space, and we'll each have a table, and I'm going to definitely take my shelves because they just fit in a little corner fine. But I normally put these on like the drying rack that I've shown in the past, and I don't know if I'm going to have space for that or not. So these I will take, but I'm not sure if I'm going to be putting them up or not. So how I do this, I've divided things up by price at this point, and I'm kind of reassessing to see if I need to make different price tag things. And what I use here, I got these from the Dollar Tree for $1.25, and then I just, have different labels for whatever I need, and I just put prices on them and I group things together. I don't tend to put individual price tags on everything. So these are already ready to go. These are my soap sacks, and they have soap included from the Dollar Tree, but it is Yardley soap. So those are all ready to go, and that always stays with it. These are things I'm taking out that are not going to be going with me because they are fall related. There's a pumpkin, there's some apples in there, and these are these little crocheted spiders that I made that didn't sell worth anything, so was total waste of my time. So anyway, those are going to go into the seasonal bin out in the garage. This, I just have bits and pieces in here that are like oddly, each of them are individually priced, but they're just odd things. These are some Christmas earrings that I made a few years ago, and I have a couple of, I think I have 3 of those, and then I have a keychain and a little basket, and then this basket itself is for sale. So before I put all this away, I will be inventorying this, so I have a list of how much of each thing I have. And so these are some of my little critters. These are the cheaper ones, with the little wobbly eyes. So, and the price tag for them is already in the bag. I try to pack everything so it stays together. So when I get there, everything of one price is together with the price tag already in it. So it just makes life easier. These are my little monsters that I made. So I need to group them with the stuff of the same price, and the same with my little hot potatoes that I made. I need to group them together. These are my Christmas related things. So I have some gingerbread men, and what else do I have? I have some little mice. I have a little snowman that needs to go to the needs to have a little plastic surgery done to his nose because it's crooked. These are little Christmas critters. That's not the price. That's just sitting there. So they are sitting there, the hats come off, but one of the hats had the pom-pom come off, so I need to do a little repair to that. So I have a little crochet hospital going on to fix some of this stuff. So this guy lost his hat. I need to fix that. Then over here, again, I have a price tag already in here. These are already ready to go. So these are this is a little loaf cat. And actually, he belongs in another bag. Little whales. A little rat. So yeah, I have those. These are my bigger items here. They're going to be priced the same as like my gingerbread men and stuff like that. But these little cats, I mean, I can't do a whole lot with them. But some of these, like my little cows, the little rabbits, I bought some Christmas ribbon. And I'm going to be cutting the Christmas ribbon and putting little ribbons for scarves around their necks, just to make them look a little more Christmassy. So I'll be fixing those, and then they will all be bagged together. In fact, I have spiders here, but even though they're kind of more seasonal with like Halloween, I'm going to put Christmas ribbons, and they're going to be Christmas spiders. Maybe we'll tell them they're Charlotte from Charlotte's Web. We don't know. But anyway, I'm going to make them look a little bit more Christmassy. Then they will be packaged with. I'm probably going to list the specific Christmas things all together. You know, they'll have different prices, but I'll probably put them grouped together. These I'll probably have grouped together as well, but I'll make them look a little more Christmassy. Here is the things I need to fix. The pom-pom fell off, so I need to fix this for the one Christmas critter. And then the snowman, he needs a little help. His nose is it's just not the greatest nose. It needs to be a little bit thicker, and like I said, he needs some plastic surgery done, so I'm going to fix him. I have some orange yarn, so I'll fix him, and as you can see, I've still got my fall decorations up. I will wait till after Thanksgiving, and then the Christmas stuff will go up. But yeah, I'm just working on getting all this sorted so that once I get this finished, it will be ready to go, because our craft fair is on the 13th of December. So I know that's a couple weeks away, but I have a really busy couple of weeks coming up here at home, and with stuff going on with family and church. So I'm trying to get it all packed up and ready to go ahead of time rather than scramble at the last minute. And that's a good thing I thought about that, since I have to do some repairs. So that is it for today. It's kind of a short video, but with it being the day after Thanksgiving when you guys are watching this, I figure you're not going to have a whole lot of time on your hands, although you might if you're exhausted from cooking yesterday. So I hope you all had a nice Thanksgiving, and I will see you again tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye, everybody.